In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video captions on WordPress in a way that's simple and perfect for beginners. If you've ever wanted to make your WordPress site more accessible or just add an extra layer of information to your videos, captions are a great way to do it. Plus, they can improve your SEO and help reach a broader audience. Let's get started. First, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your site, so it's essential to have access here before we start making any changes. Once inside the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Posts section. This is where all your content is organized, and we'll be editing a post from here. Click on Posts, and then go to All Posts. This action will bring up a list of all the posts on your site. Choose the post where you want to add video captions. Just hover over the post and click Edit. Now, we are going to make use of a tool that helps simplify layout adjustments on WordPress, so click Edit with Elementor. This powerful page builder tool offers a convenient drag-and-drop interface, making it a favorite for many WordPress users. Once Elementor is loaded, you'll find a search box where you can type Image. We're utilizing this feature because we'll be adding captions to an image within the post for better visual appeal. After searching, click on Image. This gives you the option to select or upload an image to work with. Next, select any image from your media library or upload a new one by clicking on Choose Image. After choosing an image, the fun part begins, where you get to add your text components. Now click on Text and start crafting the textual content you want to appear on your image. It might be the video title itself or something that provides context to the video. Next, proceed to click on Title, and you can add a compelling title to give further emphasis to your content. To add captions, which are our main goal, click on Caption. Here, you can type in what you want to appear directly underneath your image. Captions should be descriptive yet concise, offering additional insight or commentary about the image or video content. Once that's done, you might also want to add a description. While not always visible, it's useful for search engines and screen readers. Finally, once you've completed all these additions and adjustments, click Select to finish up. Make sure everything looks good, and don't forget to save or publish your changes so they reflect on your live website. And just like that, you've successfully added captions to your WordPress video using Elementor. I hope this guide proves helpful in making your content more accessible and engaging. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.